Yes or no? Well, this turn signal was out, so I decided to add some extra lights on the bottom and fix that turn signal, but I don't know about the angle thing. I just tried it to see. I had to do all that wiring right there. That wasn't too bad. This side too. Pretty clean. I haven't even tried it yet, and I don't even know if it works. Fix to go try it right now. Oh my God. Well, the lights are on. Let's see what's happening. Well, they're definitely working. Hell yeah. Well, that's pretty cool. I don't know how bright those lights are, but you know, that's it, the full ways work. Yeah, they're working. If the bumper wasn't bent, but I'll work on that later. It's going to need some a reconstruction, but I wanted to get them lights done. It's driving me crazy because this light right here wasn't on. All right, that's all I got for now. Finally stopped raining, and it's dark out. Let's go out here and see what these lights are doing now. Let's see how much that thing lights up. Almost there. A little bit dark back here, but you know what? I want to try something real quick. A nice bright little light right there. All right, let's check this thing out. Okay, turn the lights on. All right. Well, that's not too bad. That's pretty bright. I might do something. Well, that's not too bad. That's not too bad, I guess. Good enough for me. I got that bright light club going on.